Good morning, students. Today we are going for chapter 4 in geography, minerals and energy resources. What do you know about the minerals? Basically, minerals are found inside of the earth. They are homogeneous solid substances with a definite chemical composition. Minerals are formed in three categories. One is metallic, second is non metallic, and the third is energy resources. Minerals are found in varied forms in nature. Now, minerals have different properties with different physical and chemical composition. Some minerals they are differ in color, hardness, crystals form, luster, density of minerals in rocks. The raw materials of the minerals which is known as the ores. Now today I show you how the minerals and what are the classification of minerals and energy resource. You have to be seen this is the chart of the minerals, and actually there is the metallic form minerals, and in metallic form the ferrous means presence of iron, and some of the minerals there is the iron like manganese, nickel, cobalt, and there is no iron, these minerals known as copper, lead, bauxite, tin. Now some metals are very precious which are gold, silver, platinum. Non-metallic minerals actually these are mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marbles and sandstone. Energy minerals in the form of the energy which is known as coal, petroleum, natural gas. And one thing you remember that all the minerals and the energy resource are obtained from the nature. Nature gave us minerals. Now, minerals occurs in crack or fault present in igneous and metamorphic rocks. The larger occurrence called lodes and the smaller ones are called veins. For an example, in sedimentary rocks, minerals occur in layers. Now, some example like coals and some form of iron ore gets concentrated due to heat and pressure. For some other example like gypsum, limestone, potash salt, sodium salt have formed due to evaporation, especially in arid areas. Now here actually minerals content in the ore, and here the minerals are obtained by the process of mining, and mining of minerals is practiced after considering the following: depth at which the minerals occur, demand of minerals in the market and distance from the market, availability of extraction and processing technology. Methods of the mining. These methods are: first, shaft mining. Here, shaft mining it means the some minerals occur deep below the surface of the earth, and such these minerals are examples: Kolar gold mine in Karnataka and coal mines in Jharkhand. Open cast mining, which are the example of when minerals occur close to the earth surface. And for example of these minerals, limestones, marbles, dolomite and granite are some example of these open cast mining. Marbles in the Rajasthan. Here there is the difference between the metals and non-metals. Actually, metals include iron, ore, gold, silver, bauxite, copper and many more. Non-metals include mica, coal, crude oil, natural gas, zinc. Metals have the property of ductility, malleability, and non-metals have the property do not possess metallic properties. Metals are the good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are the bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metals occur mostly as solid and liquid form, but non-metal occur in solid, liquid and natural gas or either gas forms. Metals associated with igneous and metamorphic rocks, but non-metals associated with only sedimentary rocks. Ferrous and non-ferrous. You know, ferrous means presence of iron and non-ferrous means there is no iron. You have to be seen magnetite, hematite, cobalt, nickel are the example of ferrous minerals. But gold, silver, tin, bauxite are the example of non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals help in the development of metallurgical industries. Non-ferrous minerals help in the development of consumer goods, chemicals and other industries. Firstly, we are talking about the iron ore. Yes, iron ore means that is the iron which is using for the development of the country. Basically, any country want to a development, that means it increase. Actually, according to the production of iron ore showing in the state-wise share of percentage 2009, basically you have to be seen 28% in Jharkhand and Odisha 33%. That it means leading state of iron ore is Odisha, Chhattisgarh 19%, Karnataka 11 and others 9%. Now in India, present time, the magnetite and the hematites are the best varieties of iron ore are found here. Magnetite about 70% iron content and hematite 50 to 60% iron content. Basically distribution Odisha, Jharkhand belt and here second Durg, Bastar, Chandrapur belt. Now importance of the iron ore, what are their importance? Basically in here Maharashtra, Goa belt and Tumkur belt. Now you have to be seen this is the map of India and there you have to be seen Ajmer and here Balaghat, Hazaribagh, which near the Visakhapatnam and Khendujwar. These are the iron ore fields and iron ore mines. Now, some of the importance area for the iron ore fields. Now, today we are going to know about what are the uses of the iron ore. Basically, iron ores are used in the development of the automobiles industries. Lot of the automobiles and the vehicles are developed in the country like India, and some of the industries they need the irons. Basically, iron is the important source for the development of any country.